Welcome to Puzzle Peak Pavilion. Let's find out how much you know about birds. What is the world's tallest flying bird? A. Sarus crane. B. Bald eagle. C. Condor. A. Sarus crane. Which bird is the fastest animal on Earth when in a dive? A. Peregrine falcon. B. Swift. C. Hummingbird. A. Peregrine falcon. Which bird is known for its ability to sleep while flying? A. Swallow. B. Albatross. C. Frigate birds. C. Frigate birds. Which bird is known for its colorful plumage and ability to imitate other sounds? A. Peacock. B. Pigeon. C. Parrots. C. Parrots. What is the world's largest bird by wingspan? A. Bald eagle. B. Albatross. C. Ostrich. B. Albatross. Which bird is known for its distinctive call that sounds like laughter? A. Owl. B. Robin. C. Kookaburra. C. Kookaburra. Which bird is often associated with bad luck in Western superstition? A. Magpie. B. Blackbird. C. Crows. C. Crows. What is the name of the bird that is the national symbol of Australia? A. Kiwi. B. Emu. C. Kakapo. B. Emu. Which bird species is known for its skillful use of tools, such as sticks and twigs? A. Wild crow. B. Sparrow. C. Blue jay. A. Wild crow. What is the name of the bird known for its distinctive crest and bright red plumage? A. Cardinal. B. Blue jay. C. Robin. A. Cardinal. Thanks for watching.